Rayong is the city of economy, industrial advancement, cultural progress in the Thailand 4.0. The Eastern Economic Corridor Development Plan or EEC covered 3 provinces including Chha Cheong Sao, Chonburi and Rayong, as well as Special Economic Studying Area which Rayong has a tourism development plan as a cultural tourism city and development smart city with residences in international level combined with the local culture and nature perfectly. Rayong is a province that is an industrial area and cultural sources scattered everywhere that has a way of life of many people. There is an coexistence, whether it's Buddhism, Christianity, Islam or Hinduism, with tourist attractions that are ready for people to experience the beauty. It's an unforgettable charm with cultural attractions in Rayong. Lum Mahachai Chumpon Temple. Lum Mahachai Chumpon Temple, or former name is Lum Mahachai Chumpon, and the same old name is Mahachai Chumpon Temple, is an ancient temple since Ayutthaya period, located at Taksin Maharaj Road, Thap Radu Sub-district, Mueang District, Rayong. According to the history, it was established in 2234 BE, originally at the area of Lum Temple, Mahachai Chumpon. There are 2 nearby temples which are Lum Temple and Neun Temple. Later, around the year 2463 BE, combined Lum Temple and Neun Temple as one temple, then called the name Lum Temple. But the popular call is Mahachai Chumpon Temple. Important places that are tourist attractions within Mahachai Chumpon Temple is Shrine Somdet Prajao Taksin Maharaj. Likewise, Old Chapel as small rectangular plan brickwork, building with 2-layer roofing reduction woodwork. Inside have seated Buddha image with attitude of subduing Mara of Ratana Kosin art. In front of the shrine have a large Satu tree, 100 years old. It is believed that Satu tree is tile of war elephant named Pankiri Banchon. In 2507 BE, built a new shrine reinforced concrete building with shape of fold porch that more appropriate size and more beautiful. In 2532 BE, renovations by Guild with a new gold-plated statue of the Prajao Taksin, all marble floors and walls, decorative ceiling patterns also refine the beautiful surroundings. Since establishment until today, this shrine is a sacred place to worship and to rely on the minds of the people both inside and outside this area, which get to know important arts and culture as well as being a source of cultural learning, also is treasure of the local. The young people should united in heritage, culture and art to be a national treasure for future generations. In Eastern Economic Corridor projects area, even as industrial city but mixed together between modern and cultural. If you have a chance to travel to Rayong, don't forget to visit Lum Mahachai Chumpon Temple, an important heritage of Rayong.